Le futur proche. When to use le futur proche? We use it to talk about something that will happen shortly or immediately, not for something that will happen in the long term. Example, eating an apple. It is going to happen soon. It won't happen in a year. So if you use le futur proche, it would be something like I am going to eat an apple. Je vais manger une pomme. You might want to say I will eat an apple. Je mangerai une pomme. This is futur simple, and it's not appropriate here because the action is short term. Clue words. These are words indicating that it will happen shortly. Dans quelques minutes. In a few minutes. Dans quelques instants. In a few moments. Bientôt and très bientôt. Soon and very soon. Immédiatement. Immediately. How to use le futur proche. Le futur proche needs two things. Aller in présent and the main verb in infinitif. Je vais manger. Vais is aller in présent. Manger is the main verb in infinitif. Here's the thing about le futur proche. There's no difference between regular and irregular verbs. All verbs are conjugated exactly the same way. So all you need to know is how to use aller in présent. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. And then add the main verb. For example, with manger, je vais manger, tu vas manger, il va manger, nous allons manger, vous allez manger, ils vont manger. With arriver, je vais arriver, tu vas arriver, il va arriver, nous allons arriver, vous allez arriver, ils vont arriver. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, hit subscribe. If you want to watch the full version of this video, get useful materials, or get help, click the links below.